Hi guys! So today I've got a little bit of a beauty skincare sort of haul video. It's not a massive haul, but I've bought a few things recently like beauty related, and I thought I'd put them all in a video and show you guys what I've got because I've got a couple of really good deals in with what I'm going to show you today. So I just thought, post a video. I like making videos like this. So I'm just going to get straight into everything I've got in front of me, kind of beauty related, that I bought recently. First thing I've picked up is a toothbrush, so very exciting. This is a pink Oral-B toothbrush. I already had one of these, but it was blue and it broke like a couple of days ago. So when I saw this in pink, I was like, yes, I've got to get it. I've got to get a new toothbrush anyway. But this was from B&M and this was £20. So this had, I think it had an RRP of £50, I think it said in B&M, but it was £20 in B&M. And this also comes with a Oral-B 3D White Luxe toothpaste. And these toothpastes are about £2 to £4 anyway. So not only are you getting the toothbrush, but you're also getting toothpaste as well. So it's just a really good deal for the price. I thought this was really good. So that's what you get in the box. Next, I've got some products from the Body Shop. So I've got 4 products from the same range at the Body Shop. So the first thing I've got is the Seaweed Oil Balancing Toner. So this line at the Body Shop, the Seaweed line, is probably the only skincare range that I've tried from anywhere that doesn't break me out. So I've got most of the range here from the Seaweed collection from the Body Shop because it is just so good for me. So this is a toner and I just put this on before bed at night, and it just gets off the excess grub on my face before bed and just keeps it really matte. So it's good for combination and oily skin. So I've got quite oily skin, so it's really good at like mattifying the skin. So this is just brilliant, and this is one of the best selling toners. Well, it's one of the best selling products on their website, and this is, I think, £9, I think, full price. But all of these things I got from the Body Shop, I think I got £10 off when you spend over £30 at the Body Shop, because they tend to always have like different offers on online. So if you're going to buy things from the Body Shop, keep an eye out for offers that they have on because they're quite regular. So yeah, this is really good, the toner. But then I've also got the Deep Cleansing Gel Wash in the same line. So this is just a really good face wash. It's just a generic face wash, but it doesn't break me out like everything else does. And I think this is about £8 or £9. I can't remember exactly, but if I can remember, I will link them in the description box below. So this next product is the Pore Cleansing Exfoliator, and I think this was about the same sort of price, about £9, and this is just really good. It's got a really nice texture, like the exfoliator is really quite exfoliating. I've found that some exfoliators I've used in the past are just not very good at exfoliating, but this is really good, but it doesn't make your skin feel like really sore afterwards. And then something that I've not actually tried from their line before, because I have tried all of those products previously, but this is the Oil Control Gel Cream. So I'm putting this on before makeup as like my moisturiser, and I find that as soon as you put it on, it soaks straight in and it makes your skin feel a little bit more matte. So it's really good before foundation to kind of stop your oily skin like seeping through your foundation, as gross as that sounds. But yeah, this is really good so far, and I think this was about £14. This was a little bit pricier. So I've just got a few makeup things that I got from Boots. These are just things that I have to buy every few months because they're like my go-to staple makeup products. So I've got the Rimmel Lash Accelerator Endless Mascara. So this is the mascara I use on a daily basis. So I've run out of it, or I've almost run out of it, and this is the one I've just bought. I think these are about £9 in Boots. I've then also got the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil. So this is quite a well-known cheap eyebrow pencil. It's just really good. It's about £3 and it's just a really nice formula, really nice colour, and it's got a little brush on the end as well. And then I got my usual Revlon Colour Stay for combination oily skin. This is about £13. It's just super full coverage and it's brilliant for oily skin. so highly recommend. Next thing I've got is quite exciting. It arrived a few days ago and I've already tried it out and I'm absolutely loving it. So this is the Mylee Nail Professional UV Gel Lamp. So this is a UV lamp for curing gel nails. The box is quite big and the actual gel lamp, which you can see in the picture, is the size of this box. So it's pretty big, but yeah, this is a gel curing lamp. And this was from Groupon. They do have it on Amazon and I will try and link it below if I see this sort of kit on Amazon. But this was from Groupon because it was a little bit cheaper. But I think the offer might have gone now. I don't know, you can look for yourself if you're interested. But basically this is a gel nail polish curing lamp, and along with it, with the Groupon offer, I've got a few other products which I'll show you in a minute. But I've never had gel nails before. So I was just intrigued to try them out, and I thought for the price of getting my nails done at the nail salon, I could probably just get a kit, and although it might not be as good as the nail salon, I could use it a lot more. So I just thought I'd try it out. I think the kit was £35 and I'll show you everything I got for £35, but on Amazon you could probably get the same sort of kit for about £40, which you get the lamp, which is massive, and then you get these 200 professional lint free wipes, you get the nail prep and polish wipe, you get the gel remover, and then the essential collection of polishes. So if I open this up, you get the My Gel base coat, you get the top coat, and then you get two colours in there, which are the colours that I'm wearing at the moment. So there's red and there's like a pink glitter. But yeah, so all of that came as a kit for, I think it was about £32 and then £2 postage. But it's such a good deal because if you think you could probably go and get your nails done for £15, so then for just over 2 trips to the salon you could do your nails a bunch of times. And I have, like I said, just done my nails. I've only had them on for about 2 days at the moment, but they are absolutely perfect. I know I've never had gel nails before, so this is completely new to me, but I'm really impressed with them. They look really good, they're really strong, and it's really easy to apply. The instructions are really easy to follow. The nail polish was applied really well. So I'm just really impressed with the quality of the products for the price, especially compared to like your salon trips that you'd be doing. So I just thought I'd show that because I thought if it's something that you're interested in, getting your nails done, maybe doing them yourself at home is a much better option in terms of how much you're going to spend on it. And if you guys are interested, I will do a future video of me doing my nails using this kit. If you're interested in me showing you how it works, let me know and I will do that for you. So that's everything I've got to show you in this video. I know it wasn't a lot, but a few things that I think are really good deals. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to me, then please do if you like videos like this, and be sure to click the notification bell, make sure you're notified when I post another video. So I hope you liked this video and I will see you in the next one.